So good evening. I'm here at the airport now. Mag-travel muna ako. I am here at Terminal 3. Terminal 3 here. Naiya Airport. It's morning na pala. The time now is past 12. So mag-check-in ako maya-maya. Kasi yung flight ko is 3 a.m. My baggage tracking here. 180. Baggage wrapping.
Natimbang nyo na to.
Pag chicken, myself chicken dito. And then, ano lang, mga 5 minutes only to chicken. And then here, so pasok na ako dito. So ang nakalagay sa boarding gate ko is TBA. So ngayon ko lang nalaman, TBA is to be announced. So this one here, there is a hot water, coffees.